If you were a bluebird, you'd be a sad one. I'd give you a true word, but you've already had one. If you were a bluebird, you'd be crying, you'd be flying home. If you were a raindrop, you'd shine like a rainbow. And if you were a train stop, the conductor would sing low. If you were a raindrop, you'd be falling, you'd be calling home. I'd call you my home. If I was a highway, I'd stretch alongside you. I'd help you pass byways that had dissatisfied you. If I was a highway, well, I'd be stretching, I'd be fetching you home. Some say love, it is a river that drowns the tender reed. Some say love, it is a razor that leaves your soul to bleed. Some say love, it is a hunger, an endless aching need. I say love, it its only seed. It's the heart afraid of breaking that never